welcome to the world of discrete mathematics with me, Kunal Airi, on my YouTube channel. Here, we are going to learn about the concepts of discrete mathematics. Start this lecture with examples related to cardinality of finite sets. Next example, consider a set of integers 1 to 500. Find how many of these numbers are divisible by 3 or by 5 or 11. The second one is also indicate how many are divisible by 3 or 11 but not all 3, 5 and 11. And the third one, how many are divisible by 3 or 11 not by 5. So first here we have to find the sets. So यहाँ पे first set आपको जो मिलने वाला है that is the universal set U. Number of U is equal to 500. Now there are three sets. The first one is a set. Consider A is equal to denote numbers divisible by 3. Set B denotes number divisible by 5. And set C denotes number are divisible by 11. Now here first we have to find the cardinality of A, cardinality of B, cardinality of C, then intersection between AB, intersection between AC, so on. So first of all we have to find the cardinality. So number of A is equal to, अगर numbers का example है तो total number divide by A is divisible by what? 3. So 500 divided by 3. So we get 166. Now number of B is equal to, now B is the set which is divisible by what? 5. So we get 500 divided by 5 is equal to 100. Now third one, that is a C which is divisible by 11. So 500 divided by 11. So we get 45. Then A intersection B. For the A intersection B क्या करना है? A किसका सेट है आप लोगों का? Which is divisible by 3. और B किसका सेट है? Which is divisible by 5. So 3 5s are 15. So 500 divided by 15. So we get 33. Next one is A intersection C is equal to 500 divided by, now A be the set which is divisible by 3 and C be the set which is divisible by 11. So 3 into 11 we get 33. So is equal to 15. Then find out B intersection C is equal to 500 divided by, B किसका सेट है? 5 का और C किसका सेट है? 11 का. So 5 into 11 we get 55. So here we get 9. Then after that find out the intersection between A, B and C. So we get 500 divided by 3 into 5 into 11 is equal to, we get a 3. Now this is the given data, universal set A, B and C. First here we have to find how many of these numbers are divisible by 3 or by 5 or 11. Means we have to find A union B union C. By using mutual inclusion principle, A union B union C is equal to number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus A intersection B, then minus A intersection C minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. So this is the formula for what? How many of these numbers are divisible by 3 or 5 or by 11. ऐसे नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं जो किससे डिवाइड होने वाले? 3 से, 5 से और 11 से. Now we have to put all this value in this equation. This is consider this one as a equation number first. Now put all this value, we get A union B union C is equal to number of A is equal to 166, B is equal to 100 plus C is equal to 5 minus A intersection B 13 minus A intersection C 15 minus B intersection C 9 and intersection between A, B, C 3. So calculate this, we get 257. So 257 numbers which are divisible by what? 3 or 5 or by 11. This is the first answer. Now the second one, also indicate how many are divisible by 3 or by 11 but not by all 3, 5 and 11. ऐसे नंबर फाइंड आउट करने जो डिवाइड किससे होने वाले आपके 3 से और 11 से but not by all. Let's see for the second one, Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram. Here consider this Venn diagram and this portion, right? This one, the shaded portion. This shaded portion is nothing but the intersection between A, B and C, right? Now here we have to find out the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 11 but by not all. Means ये portion जो shaded portion है हम लोगों को निकाल देना है. किस में से? 3 or by 11 means from the union of A and C. Means we have to find out A union C minus A intersection B intersection C. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं अभी? A union C करने वाले हैं और A union C में से क्या माइनस करने वाले हैं? Intersection. Means we get the numbers which are divisible by 3 or by 11 but by not all. Not all means what? Intersection between A, B and C. Now to find the A union B, we have to use inclusion exclusion principle. So what is the inclusion exclusion principle? Number of A plus number of C minus A intersection C. So minus A intersection B intersection C. So we have number of A is equal to 166 plus number of C is equal to 45. Then A intersection C is equal to 15 and A intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. Now calculate this, we get 193. So 193 numbers divisible by 3 or by 11 but not by all 3, 5 and 11. Consider the Venn diagram for the third condition. What is the third condition? How many are divisible by 3 or 11 but not by 5, right? Means ऐसे number find out करने which are divisible by 3. So this is set A, right? Set A किसके लिए हम लोगों का? Which is divisible by 3, right? So ये shaded portion हम लोग कर रहे हैं जो numbers किसके लिए रहने वाले आप लोगों के 3 के लिए. Okay? Now this is the Venn diagram. Now these are the numbers which are divisible by 3, right? Again these are the numbers which are also divisible by 3 as well as by 11. Now this shaded portion is divisible by 3 or 11 but not by 5, right? Because of remaining total B जो हम लोग consideration करें which is divisible by 5. So हम लोगों को remove करना है तो उसके लिए formula आप लोगों का क्या रहने वाला है? यूनियन में से आप लोग डायरेक्टली बी को माइनस कर दे सकते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी माइनस बी. सो व्हाट इज ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी? 257 minus 100 is equal to 157. This is the correct answer, right? This is the method for to find the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 11 but not by 5. Now next example. Among the integers 1 to 1000, how many of them are not divisible by 3 nor by 5 nor by 7? Again, how many sets are there? There are 3 sets. The numbers which are divisible by 3, first one. The numbers which are divisible by 5. The numbers which are divisible by 7. Right? Again, this is the universal set. Total number of elements. Okay? So, number of U is equal to 1000. Right? Number of U is equal to 1000. Now, A be the set for what? Which is divisible by 3. Now, B be the set which is divisible by 5. And C be the set which is divisible by 7. These are the 3 sets. Now, the first condition, what we have to find? How many of them are not divisible by 3, nor by 5, nor by 7? Means we have to find the complement. Right? Not by 3 means what? Complement of A. Not by 5 means complement of B. Not by 7 means complement of C. So, यहाँ पे तीनों का intersection find out करना है. So, first condition, that is, we have to find out A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. ये हम लोगों को यहाँ पे find out करना है. Now, ये condition already हम लोग कहाँ पे देखते हैं? De Morgan's law में. De Morgan's law for the two sets, that is A intersection B complement is equal to A union B complement. This is the De Morgan's law, right? और यहाँ पे 3 sets के लिए हम लोग De Morgan's law create कर सकते हैं. That is A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to A union B union C complement. Okay, this is the De Morgan's law for the 3 set. Equation number 1. Now, again, by using the property of complement and difference, A complement is equal to what? U minus A. So, again for the same, A union B union C complement is equal to, क्या formula mention कर सकते हैं? तो यहाँ पे we get A union B union C complement is equal to U minus number of A union B union C. So, this is equation number 2. Now, first we have to find out A union B union C. So, again by using mutual inclusion principle, number of A union B union C is equal to number of A plus number of B plus number of C. Then minus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C and plus A intersection B intersection C. So, this is the formula. This one is A intersection B intersection C. Now, this is equation number 3. Now, here we have to find all the values. Number of A plus number of B plus number of C plus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. Again, examples आपका number का examples है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सिंपल डिवाइड करना है. 1000 डिवाइड बाय 3, 1000 डिवाइड बाय 5, 1000 डिवाइड बाय 7. एंड फॉर द इंटरसेक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में को परफॉर्म करना. नाउ फाइंड आउट A. Number of A is equal to 1000 divided by 3. So, we get 3, 3, 3. Now, number of B is equal to 1000 divided by 5. So, we get 200. Now, the third one, C is equal to 1000 divided by 7 is equal to 142. Then, A intersection B is equal to 1000 divided by A be the set 3 into और B किसका set है 5. So 3 5s are 15. 1000 divided by 15 we get 66. Now next one is B intersection C. So B 1000 divided by B किसका set है आपका? Yes, B is a set which is divisible by 5 और C किसका set है 7 का. So we get 28. Then after that the second last A intersection C is equal to A be the set which is divisible by what? 3 राइट, और C किसका सेट है आपका 7 का, राइट. सो वी गेट हियर 21. सो दिस टर्म इज इक्वल टू 47. नाउ आफ्टर दैट द लास्ट टर्म इज A intersection B intersection C is equal to 9. Now put this all values in equation number 3rd. So we get A union B union C is equal to, now number of A, what is number of A? 333. Then number of B 200 plus number of C 142. Then minus A intersection B 66 minus B intersection C 28 and minus A intersection C 47 and then plus A intersection B intersection C is equal to 9. Calculate this one and we get, after calculation, 543. So equation number 4. So A union B union C is equal to what? 543. Now from the De Morgan's law, that is A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to A union B union C complement, right? ये इक्वेशन नंबर हम लोगों का फर्स्ट था. एंड देन A union B union C complement is equal to what? Number of U minus number of A union B union C. Now put this value. What is U? U is equal to 1000 and we get A union B union C is equal to 543. After calculation we get the value, that is 457. This is equation number 6. Now put this value in this equation, right? So we get the numbers, total numbers 557, which are not divisible by 3 nor by 5 nor by 7. Now let's see the second condition. What is the second condition? How many are not divisible by 5 and 7 but divisible by 3? Venn diagram for the second example, not divisible by 5 and 7 but divisible by 3. So here we have to find out this portion, only this portion, right, which are divisible by only 3, not by 5, not by 7. This portion is nothing but what? The numbers which are divisible by only 3, not by 5, not by 7. This here we have to find out what? A minus B union C. So A में से क्या रिमूव करना हम लोगों को? B union C. Now by using the property of difference, A minus B. So A minus B is equal to, number of A minus B is equal to what? Number of A minus A intersection B. Now use this property for this equation. Okay. So A minus B union C is equal to number of A minus what? A intersection within the bracket B union C, bracket complete. Now observe this term, this one, this whole term, right? That is nothing but the distributive property. So we get here number of A minus within the bracket A intersection B, bracket complete, union A intersection C. So this is the distributive property. Okay. Now number of A minus, we can use here inclusion exclusion principle, that is A union B. So what is the value of A? A intersection B, और B क्या है यहाँ पे? A intersection C. So use this property for whole term. Now we get here A क्या रहेगा? B, number of A plus number of B minus A intersection B आता है. So what is A? A intersection B आप लोगों का यहाँ पे, right? Then plus A intersection C, और last term जो हम लोग कहते हैं that is a minus A intersection B intersection C. So this is the inclusion exclusion principle for these two terms, that is A intersection B union A intersection C. So this is A intersection C, right? So यहाँ पे हम लोग कौन सा प्रिंसिपल यूज कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पे म्यूचुअल inclusion exclusion principle. Now put this value, all the values. First one, number of A is equal to what? Number of A is equal to 333. Then minus within the bracket. Calculate all these values. The first one is A intersection B is equal to 66 plus A intersection C is equal to 47 and then minus 9. So we get here 333 minus 104. After calculation we get total number is equal to 229. So 229 is nothing but the numbers, integers from 1 to 1000 are not divisible by 5 and 7 but divisible by 3.
If you like my video, then like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the more videos related with the discrete mathematics, don't forget to click on the bell icon button.